All right, guys, you are welcome to Dice Media TV. Thank you for being with us. A channel which teaches you how to earn money online and also gives you news across the globe. All right, this is Qatar Inu Airdrop. So it means Qatar are giving us some airdrop. So the reward is for any person who will sign up will get 70,000 Qatar, which is equivalent to $70. And per each referral that you'll be doing, you'll be getting 32,000, which is $32. And it's for all users. It's not a random distribution. Any person who partake through this airdrop will be able to withdraw. So for this one, let's neglect it and also go to the next. It says the end date is 23rd October of this month, so it's left at least, let's say, 18 days. We are on the 5th, yeah, so 18 days now. Today's date is 5th October. Then distribution date is 25th. So right after the end, within 2 days, they will start distributing the Qatar token. All right, so right now I'll be leaving the link into the description box. Those on YouTube, you'll be getting it in the description box. You'll be seeing it to the title of this video. A small arrow at your right hand side, you'll be seeing it at the title of this video. When you tap there, you'll be seeing a Dropbox or CLAM. You'll be seeing the referral link inside that box. You'll be seeing airdrop referral link. When you tap on it, it will redirect you to Telegram bots like this. So what you have to do next is go to start. When you go to start, it says you were invited by user senior professor. Hello, so mine is Dice. So if you are not a machine, it's not a correct statement. If you are not a machine, please press yes. So I'm going to press yes. So the next thing that you have to do is go to join airdrop, but you can take your time to read through. All right, so it will gives you the details of it again. So their website is this, their Twitter page, and their contract address. So we are going to work on this. So the contract address, the first thing that you have to do is to tap on it. It will open a website for us to copy their contract address. So let's have a look at it. Please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment to the video. And also, if possible, you can share for other people to benefit from the project. God bless you for doing it. All right, so as it loads, you'll be seeing the contract here. So this is the contract address that you will copy. So let's wait a little for it to be a deep color. So let's go to copy. All right, so you'll be seeing the copy button here. So you tap on it, then it will copy everything automatically. It will copy. So right now, copy. So you go back to your Telegram bot, or you go back to your Trust wallet. So when you go to your Trust wallet, you have to go and paste in the contract address. So we are going to work on the contract address. All right, so the first thing that you have to do is to go to the button on top here. You just have to paste in the contract address and it will give us this information. So you just have to go to add custom tokens, then you search for BNB smart chain, then you paste in the address. So it will fill everything automatically like this. Then you go to done. So as I am speaking or doing this video, this is the current rate of the coin. In Ghana cedis is 0.0019. So you can check it in your own country currency. All right, so let's go back to the Telegram bot. Sorry, let's copy the address, contract address. So you go to receive, all right, then you copy, then you go back to your Telegram bot. All right, so the next thing that we are going to do is going to follow the channel. You are going to follow the channel. So you join, you go back, you join the second one, you join like this, you go back, then they say follow their Twitter handle, so you are going to follow them on Twitter. Then they says we should retweet and tag 7 people. All right, so we're going to do that on Twitter. All right, so we are going to follow them on, so we have to follow. Then it says go to retweet, so there is the retweet. You will retweet, then you like, then you tag 7 people. So we are going to tag 7 people. So the first one is, let's say at, then you pick any of these, any name, then you go for it. So Nathaniel Obin at, let's say CZ, which is the Binance, at God of Hope, So how many people? We are having 4 now. It's level 3. So at CoinSwap, left 1. So you can just add any person that you know, then you reply to it. Okay, so we are done with it. So it says reply send. So you can see Dice Money Makers is done. So you just have to go back to your Telegram bot. So we did it at once. So it says follow, like, and retweet the pin post. So right now you're going to join the channel advertiser. Join, go back, then we go to submit details. So all these things we are done. You go to done, then they will ask you to enter your Twitter link. So you just have to copy this one, then you paste. You need to know your username, then you delete this one. Then okay, so let me use this. The first one, the one that I used was Dice Money Makers. All right, so you don't worry, you just use your own original account. I'm having one already, so that's why I'm doing this. So let's continue. Then your username. So my username is at Dice CEO on Telegram, and it is asking us of the contract address. So you just have to go to your Twitter account. It's not Twitter, Trust Wallet. Then you copy your. So this is mine. I'm having it in my clipboard. So then you have to submit it. The one that we copied and did, you have to copy that one and paste it here. So it says congratulations, That is, you get 70,000 Qatar for completing airdrop tax. So then it says get 32,000 per each referral. So you'll be seeing your referral link here. So anytime you can come to your balance and check. You can go to start. The start will give you everything about the coin. So this is their contract address that you copied earlier. So thank you very much for being with us. See you in another video. Kindly note that airdrops are 100% free. Don't pay any penny or any fee for any airdrop. Kindly do your own research before joining any airdrop. Also keep in mind that not every airdrop will succeed. Lastly, kindly subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell so that anytime we send in any airdrop, you'll be the first person to join from or to enjoy that project very fast. Thank you.